Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install Windows 10 on any PC or laptop. For that we are going to need a Rufus Windows 10 ISO file, and we need at least 8 GB of flash drive. Step 1. We need to download Rufus and latest version of Windows 10 ISO file. For that, open your favorite browser, search for Rufus. Click on the first link. Scroll down to the download link. Click on the link to download. Then we need to download Windows 10 ISO file. For that, go to search for Windows 10 download. Clicking on this particular link, which is official website of Microsoft, you will get to know that there is no download button for ISO file. To download ISO file, click on the three dots, go to more tools, then click on developer options. You can use shortcut. Click on the phone button, which should make your view into mobile phone view. Just go and reload the browser. Now it should be looking like just in the mobile phone. Click on the select edition, click on Windows 10, just confirm that. Just select your language, confirm it. You can choose either 64 or 32-bit operating system depending on your processor. If your processor supports 64-bit, then you can download 64, else you can download 32-bit. I am not going to download this because I have already downloaded to save the time. Step 2. We need to burn Windows ISO file into the pen drive. Go ahead and open your Rufus software. It should be prompted to allow administrator permission. Click on S. Now you should plug your USB drive. It should be shown here. Select the Windows ISO file. Now you should set partition schema to MBR, else you would be encountering this error. As this process is going to take at least for 15 to 45 minutes depending on your PC configuration. When it says ready, you can click on close, and now you can unplug your USB drive. Step 3. Installing the Windows on the targeted PC. Just plug your USB drive into the laptop or PC. Continue pressing boot menu key. This screen should appear. Click enter. Click next. Click on install now. If you have any product key, you can enter, else you can click on I do not have product key. I am going to install Windows 10 Pro. Then click on next. Agree the license terms. Then click on next. Click on custom. Then you can choose the drive in which you need to install the Windows. Wait until it completes. Click on restart now. This should take few minutes. Now you should be prompted the normal Windows setup. You can set up your Windows as you want. There we go, we have installed Windows 10 on the laptop. That's for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.